Hello and welcome back to the Guns and Glory show. It is April 19th, 2026. This is the Sky Bridge. A combination of a couple of pieces of drip edge and the top rail from a garage door. And a 3D printed little track that's hot glued to the wing. Hopefully I can use this to launch airplanes that don't have landing gear on it, like this one. If this doesn't work, I will install some kind of a motor with a pulley system that'll run in a loop continuously, and the plane will just ride a hook until it releases.